Unleash the full potential of your Nikon D850 to capture stunning detail in every shot, even in challenging lighting conditions. Today, we're diving deep into maximizing your Nikon D850's dynamic range, allowing you to preserve intricate details in both your brightest highlights and deepest shadows. What exactly is dynamic range? Simply put, it's the camera's ability to capture detail across a wide spectrum of light. The D850 excels here, and we'll show you how to push it even further. Our first key setting is Picture Control. Navigate to your camera's menu. Select Picture Control, and then choose the Flat Profile. Flat preserves the most information, giving you the greatest flexibility in post-processing. Don't worry, your image might look muted now, but that's exactly what we want for maximum raw data. Next, let's explore active lighting. This feature intelligently adjusts exposure to balance highlights and shadows within the captured image itself. For maximum dynamic range, I recommend setting active lighting to high or extra high. When shooting in RAW, both picture control and active lighting settings are applied as metadata, meaning they don't permanently alter your image data. This gives you incredible control in post. By utilizing the flat picture control and a higher setting for active lighting, you're essentially telling your D850 to capture the widest possible range of tonal information. This robust data allows you to bring out incredible detail in your shadows and recover highlight information that would otherwise be lost, leading to more impactful and balanced photographs. Master these settings, and your Nikon D850 will become a powerhouse for capturing images with unparalleled dynamic range.